Hey, what is going on, everybody? So today I'm going to be doing a walkthrough through the game called Starship. Starship is a play-to-earn game, with NFTs and whatnot. So I'm going to just show you basically how to get started, how to start earning, and how to basically get into the game. So before we actually get into the game, firstly you want to have a Wax Cloud wallet, which most people usually do have now if you are into your play-to-earn games. But basically, just go to Wax Wallet, make one, do that good stuff. And you're going to have to head over to resources. So what resources is basically the network. Basically helps you run the games and basically for any game. You can have as much wax in as possible. So if you want to add more to your CPU, you can. This is what I have. I have 83 wax staked in the CPU. I have 15 wax in the net, and I have about a few in the RAM, which is 12 gigabytes worth. This works perfectly fine for me. I don't think you need more, but if you do want more, you can. I think having more is better for if the network is busy, but currently it's fine. This works for me. I've had no issues since having this amount, so if you want to do that, you can do. So that's basically how you get started. You want to do that, set this up, and you can get going. Then what you want to do, you also want some kyanite. So how do you buy kyanite? I'll leave all the links down below, guys, to help you out. So you head over to this website, alcor.exchange, and you want to swap some wax to kyanite. So basically you're buying kyanite with wax. You probably only need about 100 kyanite to get started, really. So if we were to have 100 kyanite, that's about 0.66 wax. Basically all you need, in my opinion, to get started, because you can earn kyanite quite easily in the game at the minute. Basically get profits and get your flight price back. So like every time you fly somewhere, it costs fuel, which fuel is the kyanite. So yeah, what you also want to do is you want to have at least $10 worth of their Starship token. You can buy it by doing the normal methods of buying Binance Smart Chain apps. So like you can go on PooCoin, you can use any other exchanges like PancakeSwap, and you just want to make sure you get the contract address, put it into PancakeSwap or PooCoin, swap some BNB into Starship, and you only need at least $10 worth of Starship. So it is cheap. Basically, why do you need to pay to get in the game? So basically, the higher amount of Starship you have, the rarer the ship. There'll be documents all down below, but you guys can read if you're interested in playing, and you can find out how much a good ship is. I only have $10 in the game, which just gives you a common ship. You get 3 of them. So it's not bad. I'm happy with 3 common. But if I ever want to get into the game like really fully into it, then I might put some more in, upgrade my ships. So there's another thing. What you also want to do, guys, is you want to head over to, you might want to head over to Atomic Hub, which is a secondary market. You can buy parts on here. So what you need is you need 11 components to make a ship, which I'll show you how to make a ship soon. So this is the parts I have. I have enough for 3 ships. So if you do want 3, you need to get 33 different components. You're gonna have to get like AI system, life support, kyanite storage, engine, so on, and then that's how you make your ship. Once you have your wax wallet made, you have your resources set up. Once you have some kyanite, and once you have your Starship and your components for your ship, you're basically ready to go. So once you've done that, you want to head over to their game, which is starship-backend.herokuapp.com. Again, links will be down below. There'll be documents down below to help you guys get started and all that stuff if I'm going too fast or you're unsure and you want to go in your own pace, which is completely fine. So yeah, once you've done them steps, you want to come here, you want to create an account, you want to connect to MetaMask. I've already done it, so I'm not going to go through it. You just click it, connect to your MetaMask, on Binance Smart Chain. Then it'll ask you to put in your wax address, so you want to just copy that in there as well, which will connect both the wax and your MetaMask wallets together. Once that's done, you just want to click wax login. Once you've logged in, it will take you to a screen. It's different to my screen, but it will take you to different starships. I believe there's different space stations, and I believe there is 4 space stations now. So you have, for example, this one. This is the Pluto Alliance space station. You have a BitBoy station, and then there's a few other different ones. So once you've chosen your space station, this is the screen you'll get. Just a little note, guys. If you're stuck on getting in a space station and it's not working correctly, you might have not done the steps correctly. So if it's not working, check your resources. You might have to add more to your resources. You might have not synced up the game correctly with your MetaMask wallet. So just make sure to double check all that stuff. Okay, so once you're in the game and you have some kyanite, it will appear here. So it'll say 100 kyanite. What you want to do is you want to stake it, and then it'll come here. Once it's staked, you can use it for fuel and do all that good stuff, buy planets, etc, etc. So let's go to the build a ship screen. So this one, I've already got 2 ships here. So these are my fully fitted kits. They have different rarities. So like some commons, some rares, some epics. I haven't got anything better than epic, sadly. But there's different rarity of parts. So the more better parts you have. So if you have all mythic, which is the best tier, I believe, you will get better bonuses, better rewards, more income. So guys, I'm going to show you how to build a ship. I left one ship to be built while making this video. So I'm going to add each part into it now. And once I've done that, I'll cut back to it. So yeah, let me actually do the first part with you guys. So what you want to do is you want to click on there. You just want to approve your part to connect it onto your ship. So once you've clicked approve, guys, it'll take you back to your first ship and it should say flight control chair. It'll also do like a little refresh on your screen just to refresh it and make sure it's all done. And then you want to just add each part. So I'll be back once this is all done, guys. Okay, guys, now that my ship is done, we're going to send it out on a mission. And that's basically how you earn kyanite, and that's how you make money. So now it's fitted, it's all got its parts, it's looking great, looking fresh. So what you want to do is, you want to head over to this menu over here. I've already got 2 of my other ships on a mission right now. And they'll be back in 28 minutes. So here is my ship. You can move to a different space station if you want. You might ask, why would you want to do that? You might want to be able to go claim other planets, buy new things, just travel across different areas. Yeah, I'm trying to select a mission now, guys. So all you want to do, you click on select mission. You'll have this little menu screen. You can choose either of these. I'm just going to click number 3. You can go as far as you want, but obviously the further you go, the more kyanite it's going to cost and the longer it will be. So let's just click on the top just to show you an example. So let's click on this one. You can see here, it's going to take me 17 hours, 6 minutes and 25 seconds to arrive, and that is there and back. So it'll be 17 hours there and 17 hours back. It's going to cost me 667 kyanite, which I don't have, so it's not really worth it. Let's just go back. So what you want to do is just choose this little bottom one at the bottom. This is what I prefer, quick cash, dead quickly. We're just going to send it out. Let's just choose this planet, and then you've got these ones here. So let's choose this one. You've got, your category. So it's a desert planet with a distance of 0.36 parsecs. ID 28681. Owner. So this planet is claimed. If it says available here, you can buy the planet. And if you buy a planet, you'll get passive income for every person that travels there. I think if I was to travel here, the person who owns this planet would get 27.8 kyanite, or they'll get a percentage of this cut. It will take me 42 minutes to get there. So what's important is looking at the pool size. This pool has 3,723 left, and its capacity is 4,021. So I want to choose a different planet, even though this probably is fine, but I want to see one if it has a bigger pool if possible. Okay, guys, so I'm just going to go choose this with this planet because I couldn't find any other ones that were bigger. So essentially, what you want to do is you want to click launch. So it's going to cost me 27 kyanite. It's going to take 42 minutes. So just click launch. And once you've approved that, your ship is now gone. It will take you back to the home screen. If you want to check if your ship's already out, you just come back here, and there it is. 45 minutes it's going to take, which is cool. You can see my kyanite has gone down, and the other ones are gone. I'll show you guys what happens once the ship arrives back or goes to a planet once these timers are gone. So I'll skip back to there. But while we're waiting for these, let's just show you what is around the space station. So obviously you have this page, which is your starting page. You can click this video here if you want to watch it, or if you click here, it'll take you to the Pluto Alliance website because it is the Pluto Alliance space station. Here you have your spaceship fitting parts area. Here you've got your missions, which it's not showing me the radar because obviously the ships are out already, but that's essentially what this button does. This one here just shows you the planet outside, I believe. I think there's still features being added because this is still an alpha phase. Here you can have a chat. You can just send people messages if you want here, which I think is pretty neat. Here it shows you your transactions on the blockchain, which is nice. And then this one, use how you stake. So yeah, sorry, that button there, guys, is how you stake. So if you had 100 Kyanite, you just want to click this one here, and you just want to type in 100 and then stake Kyanite. So that's how you do that. So some things. What is Kyanite? So Kyanite is the new token for the game. It's the main resource to earn, the planet NFTs, how to fly to different planets, etc., etc. You need $10 of Starship to get started, and to conquer a planet, you literally just go to a planet that's unclaimed. You need to have enough Kyanite to conquer it, and then you basically own the planet, and every time someone visits, you'll get a cut. A planet's pool will be refilled, so like I showed you before with the planets having a pool size, that will be refilled every 24 hours at 11 PM UTC. So if planets are all empty, you're going to have to wait till the next day and do it all. But there's plenty of planets out there. There's like thousands of planets, or you could just go to a different space station. So yeah, guys, while my ships are out and about, I'll be back with you guys shortly. Welcome back, everybody. So my ships, or some of them, have returned. So the other one that we sent out is still on its mission, nearly back now, but my other two are back. So once they're back, all you want to do is click Select Mission. And all you want to do is click and return. So if the planet was also available, it would say claim planet, and you'd buy it, and then it's yours. But we're not going to do that because you can't, and plus I haven't got enough Kyanite anyway. I'm just going to click and return. So you just want to approve the transaction. It'll refresh, and then we are back, and we're going to do the next one as well. Let's just do this one. And it's going to refresh. You can see my Kyanite's gone up. For some reason, when I did the first one, it didn't go up, but I can see it has gone up more than it should have anyway. So you might have to refresh again. You can just click the refresh button, take you back, use your Wax login, and just go back in if things aren't working. If things aren't working correctly, I just click refresh, log back in, and do that. So yeah, that's basically the game, guys. They're going to do more updates. There is an AMA they've just done recently talking about features and updates and how the game's going to go forward. So the game will be developed further. This is only an alpha stage, but the fact that you can already place it in, and it's actually pretty good. Like I'm already 340 Kyanite up, and I've only been playing for a day. So if you're consistent, if you're here every 44 minutes, you're going to earn a lot of Kyanite, and obviously the better parts you have in your ship, it might be like 30 minutes, 25 minutes, so on and so on. So yeah, that's Starship, guys. We're going to leave all the links down below, like documents to help you out, the Starship Discord, the Starship website, the place to buy components, all that stuff. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope it helped. Let me know down below in the comments if this video was something that you enjoyed and you want more walkthroughs, more tips and tricks. I'm enjoying it. I'm getting basically money for playing a game, sending my ship out, building my ships up, making them better, and so on. So yeah, guys, thank you very much. Leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.